Hey guys, so for today's video, I wanted to show you how I clean my makeup brushes fast. So these are the brushes I'm going to be cleaning today with you guys, and I'm basically just going to take you through a little tutorial and show you what I like to do. These are all my favorite brushes that I have used in the past week. I recently posted a picture on my Instagram asking you guys if you wanted to see how I clean my makeup brushes. It was just like a little before and after picture, and majority of you guys said yes. It was really highly requested, so I definitely wanted to get this up for you guys, even though it is so simple and easy to do, and I'm sure a lot of you do this or do something similar. Hopefully you guys like this video and you find it helpful. If you do, please leave a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and yeah, let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. So here is a yellow rag that I used last week to clean my brushes, and you guys can see how much eyeshadow came off. I do put this in the wash and it does come out. I don't have an issue with that, but I just wanted to stress to you guys to just make sure you're using something you don't care about. So this is what I use. It's by Shany Cosmetics. It's called the Detox Professional Brush Cleanser. I just buy this on Amazon, and it's an 8-ounce bottle that has lasted me so long, and it doesn't make my brushes smell any type of way, and it also allows me to immediately go in and start using my brushes on my eyes. Like, I don't have to wait for them to dry, which is really nice. So I am just going to spray, really lather it up. Sometimes I use a little bit extra if I feel like I need it and there's more product on the brush still. Okay, so now I feel like I've coated all the bristles, right? Then you want to move over and do this again. And I'm just using light pressure, like I'm not pushing super hard or anything. You want to still be gentle. You're just doing really quick swirling motions. And then I'm going to move over one more time and do the same thing, and by this time when you start swirling it, you'll notice that there really is no product left on the brush and it's basically all ready to use. I use this to fill in my eyebrows, but a lot of times, you know, the product gets built up on there and then my eyebrows end up getting way too dark, so I have to clean this one pretty often. I'm just coating the bristles here, and then I'm moving over and lightly swirling. And again, I'm gonna move over one more, and this time you guys can see there's like nothing coming off. So there we go. Here's our next victim. Look how dirty he is. I like to use this for the lower lash line. I think it's from the Vintage Cosmetics company. Lathering it up and then swirling right next to it. One more time, and you guys can see nothing is coming off, so we are good to go. I really want to clean this. It's one of my most favorite brushes from Real Techniques, number 203. I used it for a red eyeshadow, and yes, unfortunately, reds do stain bristles pretty easily, I find, but this cleanser does such an amazing job of getting it out. Like, let me just show you guys. So this is the before. I'm just gonna spray a good amount of this and swirl it in there. Do one more squirt. Let's really work it into the lather. Like I find with the red eyeshadows, I definitely have to work it on this very first step a lot more than others. Okay, I'm gonna move over. Continue swirling. I have like no more room left. Sorry, this isn't the most glamorous thing, guys, but it works. Check it out. It's so good. I seriously love that stuff so much. It's the best cleanser ever. It's quick and they're completely ready to use again for another eye look. So this is just really for when, you know, you just don't feel like taking the time out to clean them perfectly. You just want to use them as soon as possible. So that is how I clean my makeup brushes, guys. I told you it was incredibly simple and easy to do, but definitely different than what I do when I'm cleaning all my brushes at once or when I'm cleaning my beauty blenders. So I'll link those two videos down below if you haven't seen those yet. Let me know down in the comments what you guys like to do to clean your makeup brushes, or if you happen to have a different technique or product that you really like to use instead of the one that I used. But yeah, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.